Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So last time we learned to install n8n via Docker Compose. Today we're doing something a little different. Instead of the full manual Docker Compose setup, I'm going to show you the easier way to self-host n8n using a tool called Dokploy. Trust me, this one's way less painful. Let's get into it. Real quick before we jump in, Dokploy is a free open source tool that sits on your server and gives you a clean dashboard to deploy apps without touching Docker commands or config files manually. Think of it like cPanel, but modern and built for apps like n8n. And the best part, Dokploy has a ready-made n8n template with Postgres built right in. So we just pick the template, fill in our domain, hit deploy, and it handles the rest.
All right, first things first. Before we touch any code, we need a server. I'm using Hostinger for this. Link's in the description if you want to use the same one. That actually helps support the channel too. So I click that link, and I'm going to go ahead and choose VPS hosting from the options here. Now, there's a bunch of plans, but for running n8n comfortably, I'm going with the KVM1 plan. It's got more than enough power for most automation workflows, and you can always upgrade later if you scale up. Next, I need to pick my operating system, and I'm selecting Debian 12. It's lightweight, stable, and honestly the easiest OS to run Docker on. Now I just go ahead and complete the payment, and done. Boom, brand new VPS, fresh out the oven, completely blank and ready for us to configure. This right here is our server for the rest of the video. First thing we need to do is point our domain to our server. I'm inside my domain registrar right now, and all we're doing is adding an A record. That's what tells the internet, hey, when someone types this subdomain, send them to this server's IP address. So I'm going to create a new record, set the type to A, add my subdomain, in my case n8n, and paste in my server's IP. Don't forget to save it. And keep in mind, DNS can take a few minutes to actually propagate, so don't panic if it doesn't work instantly. All right, DNS is set. Now let's jump into the actual server. I'm SSHing into my VPS right now using the credentials I got from my hosting provider.
Now, open your favorite terminal and enter the command ssh root at your server IP. Now enter your root password, which you've set up when configuring your VPS.
Once we're in, this is basically a blank Debian server. Nothing installed, nothing configured. This is where it starts getting technical, so stick with me.
Now here's where it gets easy. Dokploy installs with a single command. I've got this exact command sitting in our blog post, links in the description as always. I'm copying it straight from there and pasting it into the terminal. This one command sets up Docker, creates all the required services, and gets the entire Dokploy dashboard running for us. Quick tip. Before you run this, just double check that ports 80, 443, and 3000 are open in your VPS provider's firewall settings, otherwise Dokploy won't work properly. All right, hit and enter now. This takes a few minutes, so let's fast forward. Installation's done. Now I'm giving a tap to this link given on terminal. Give it about 15 seconds after installation finishes before loading this. Dokploy needs a moment to fully start up. This brings up a setup page asking me to create my admin account, just my email and a strong password. I click create, and boom, we're inside the Dokploy dashboard. This is basically our own private control panel now. First thing inside the dashboard, we create a project. Projects in Dokploy are basically folders that group your apps together. I click projects in the sidebar, hit create project, and I'm naming this one n8n. Simple as that. We've got an empty project ready, and now we bring in the actual app. This next part is where Dokploy really does the heavy lifting for us. Inside the project, I click Create Service, then select Template. In the template gallery, I'm searching for n8n. Now, you'll see a couple of options here. I'm specifically picking the one that mentions PostgreSQL, because that's the database that keeps all your workflows, credentials, and execution history safe and production ready. Skip the plain SQLite version if you're planning to actually use this seriously, not just testing. I select the n8n plus PostgreSQL template, and the main field I need to fill in here is my domain. So I'm entering my n8n subdomain, then turn on HTTPS and select Let's Encrypt as my SSL provider. Then go to General tab and add Latest as the n8n image.
Dokploy is now pulling everything it needs and spinning up n8n with PostgreSQL automatically. This takes a couple minutes, so again, let's fast forward.
Moment of truth. I open my browser, type in my domain, and there's the n8n welcome screen. Live, secured, and running on PostgreSQL in the background. I'll go ahead and create my account here real quick. And that's it. n8n is fully live, self-hosted, ready to build automations. Now, NGL, Dokploy makes this way easier than the raw Docker Compose method, but it's still not zero effort. You're managing your own VPS, watching your firewall rules, keeping an eye on updates through Dokploy, and yeah, still dealing with whatever your VPS provider decides your renewal price is next year. It's a solid middle ground, but it's still a system you have to maintain, which is exactly why we built n8n LaunchPad. Same end result, a fully working n8n instance with your own domain and HTTPS, except it's already deployed for you. No VPS to manage, no Dokploy dashboard to babysit, no firewall settings, none of it. You sign up, pick your plan, and your instance is ready in under 30 seconds. Basically everything you just watched me do across 2 videos now, LaunchPad compresses into one click.
Let me show you real quick. Here's the n8n LaunchPad's website. I pick a plan, completed the payment, and that's it. Instance URL lands in your inbox. Same n8n, zero maintenance headache. If you'd rather skip the servers entirely, links in the description. n8n LaunchPad, starting at just $6 a month. That's it for today's video. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.